Hi, welcome to my channel. Here, learning is fun. Today's topic is the multiplication table of 7. But before we do that, kindly hit the like and subscribe button for you to get notified of my future videos about learning in a fun way. Let's start! Okay. 7 times 1 equals 7. 7 times 2 equals 14. 7 times 3 equals 21. That's right. 7 times 4 equals 28. 7 times 5 equals 35. 7 times 6 equals 42. 7 times 7 equals 49. 7 times 8 equals 56. That's right. 7 times 9 equals 63. 7 times 10 equals 70. Good job! Okay, we're done with the practice. Let's test what you have learned today. Ready? 7 times 8 equals, you got it right, 56. 7 times 5 equals 35. 7 times 4 equals 28, correct. 7 times 3 equals 21. 7 times 9 equals 63. Very good. Well done.